welcome to today's video. So today I thought we'd be doing an updated how I clean my brushes, because I did a video in the past of how I clean my brushes, but it kind of changed the past 2 years. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you want to see how I clean my brushes now, then keep on watching. Use this Chick-fil-A little cup, and I'm going to kind of pour out the drink and just use this as my beauty blender cleaning thing. So I'm going to take my Suave Aloe and Rose Water body wash. That's what I use now for cleaning my makeup brushes and my beauty blender. So I'm just going to squirt some of the body wash into the cup, and I'm just going to put some water into it, and I'm just going to stick my beauty blender into that and let it soak while I clean all my makeup brushes. Now, like I said, this is my newly improved way to clean my makeup brushes. So normally I go between like a shampoo or a body wash, or I use dish soap, but today we are going to be using body wash. Now on these, so I had this Sigma brush cleaner thing, and it came with these little cleaning things around it, and I just today cut them off, so it's a little easier. So I'm going to set this aside, and this is what I'm going to use to clean the brushes. Now they do have a little like a little tab on the back, so I'm just going to snip them off using my scissors. Actually, I don't know where my scissors right now, so I'm just going to go get them. Okay, so we have the scissors, and I'm just going to kind of snip. I think I can try to snip off each of the little things. Can't get this one. I'm gonna actually move you guys closer so you guys can see in the sink. So normally I would always clean every single brush in my sink. So we're gonna start with my Morphe contouring brush. So I'm just going to dip into the Suave body wash. Just get it a tiny bit wet and just scrub it onto the mat. And that's my normal every day pretty much. Or actually, I clean my brushes every weekend. So yeah, I'm just going to speed up this process now. So that's pretty much how I like to clean my makeup brushes now. So, and they all kind of sit in this little brush holder thing. And yeah, but minus this one, because I couldn't fit it in there. So I'm just going to set the ones that I can't fit in here on this little thing. If you all enjoyed today's video, and see you guys next time. Bye! Bye!